Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure both dual eyes modules are installed and charged. Energy should be at least 50%. Once done, stand 3 to 5 meters from your target, keep a clear line of sight, and face them squarely. Next, initiate the only way sequence by holding the primary trigger and tapping the secondary eye input. This primes the synchronizer. You do this to link both sensors. That fusion is what creates the time window you'll exploit. You now execute the complex middle steps. Hold the main trigger and watch for the synchronization flash. Tap the secondary eye exactly on that frame. This creates the only way temporal pulse, a short, precise window of 1.2 to 1.6 seconds where inputs are accelerated. Once the window opens, spam light attacks to maintain the temporal anchor and reposition using short dashes. Make sure to monitor energy bleed so you don't drop out mid-sequence. You finish by timing the lock. Release both inputs to seal the time displacement, then execute your heavy finisher inside the final 0.3 second slice, which guarantees critical phase damage. After impact, immediately reposition and reset energy to recover. If things go wrong, for example, the eyes desynchronize or the pulse fails, reset both modules, wait for a full cooldown, and repeat the exact input rhythm. Consistency and timing is why the only way works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.